Hello viewers, I am Wasim Raza from Italy and you are watching Globbal Tv. Scientists on Tuesday 22 December 2021 announced the discovery of an exquisitely preserved dinosaur embryo from at least 66 million years ago that was preparing to hatch from its egg just like a chicken. The fossil was discovered in Ganzhou, southern China and belonged to a toothless theropod dinosaur or oviraptorosaur, which was researchers dubbed baby Yingliang. It is one of the best dinosaur embryos ever found in history. University of Birmingham researcher Fion Waisum Ma, who co-authored a paper in the journal iScience, told Ma and colleagues found baby Yingliang's head by below its body with the feet on either side and back curve, a posture that was previously unseen in dinosaurs but similar to the modern birds. In birds, the behavior is controlled by the central nervous system and cold ducking. Chicks preparing to hatch tuck their heads under their right wing in order to stabilize the head while they crack the shell with their back. Embryos that fail to tuck have a higher chance of death from an unsuccessful hatching. Oviraptorosaurs, which means egg thief lizards, were feathered dinosaurs that lived in what is now Asia and North America during the late Cretaceous period. Baby Yingliang measures around 27 centimeters, 10.6 inches long from the head to tail, and lies inside a 17 centimeters long egg at the Yingliang's Stone Age Sister Museum. Researchers believe that the creature is between 72 and 66 million years old and was probably preserved by a certain mudslides that buried the egg, protecting it from scavengers for eons. It would have grown 2 to 3 meters long if it had lived to be an adult and would have likely to fed on plants. This dinosaur embryo inside its egg is one of the most beautiful fossils I have ever seen, said Professor Steve Brusset of the University of Edinburgh, part of the research team, in its statement. This little potential dinosaur looks just like a baby bird curled in its egg, which is yet more evidence that many features characteristic of today's bird first evolved in their dinosaur ancestors. Stay tuned with Globbal TV so that we may share with you more information about baby Yingliang in future. Till next, take care. Bye bye.